Summit saves Christmas. Cheesy Productions. Haha. Brought to you by Jeremy
and Jamara.
You guys are going to love it or hate it.
'Twas 5 days before Christmas, and all through the land, Santa was getting everything ready, but the Wraith had a different plan.
Santa, you gosh darn stupid Rudolph riding hillbilly, you supposed to give me what was on my Christmas list. I wanted some vanquish parts for my axles, and I wanted some vanquish weights from my wheels, and all you gave me was a bunch of crap plastic. Hey, Santa, you cheap fatso! All you had to do, Santa, was give me some gosh darn vanquish parts. Crap plastic! You got any last words, you red cheek furry baby big fatty?
You won't get away with this, Wraith. The spirit of Christmas will bring you to justice.
I don't think so. How you like my Christmas spirit?
Little did the Wraith know, he left behind some crap plastic.
Yeah! Time to skittle butt out of here!
Meanwhile, back at the North Pole, Santa's absence is starting to get some attention.
Have you heard from Santa in a while? Bobby, we should look for him. Santa! Santa, what's Where are you, Santa? Santa, where are you? Where are you? Go see Santa! Santa, where the heck are you? Santa! Santa! Oh, Santa, right there he is! Oh no, Santa's hurt! Look up, Santa! Hold on, Santa! We love you, Santa! Oh, Santa! Oh, who did it, Santa? No, Santa!
Only one place to turn in a crisis like this.
Dun dun dun. This is the RC Undercover Police Station. Officer Kyosho DRXVE speaking. Slow down. Did you just say Santa has been murdered? Don't touch anything. I'm sending out our best to solve this case. Alright, guys. It seems someone is trying to ruin Christmas. Santa's been murdered. I think we need to bring in the big guns on this case.
Yeah. All right.
I'm glad you all agree, because he'll be here any moment.
Hi, top of the morning to you lads. What's this I hear about Santa Claus being murdered?
We need you now more than ever, Summit. It seems that someone is out to kill Christmas. Earlier today, Santa was murdered, and we need to find out who it was. Do you think you can do it?
Hi, of course there, Kyosho. I can find out who murdered the Claus.
Summit takes no time getting to the murder scene.
Hi, there's the Claus right there. It looks like he's been shot right in the dome. It must be the Wraith, because he left behind some crap plastic.
Summit heads over to Wraith's house.
Hello there, you big-eared creature. Is this the Wraith residence here?
Well, yes, it is. I'm Mr. Mouse. I'm house sitting.
Do you know where I might be able to find the Wraith?
He likes to hang out with the Lociacity out there by the church.
Alright, I'll be off then and go check there. Now if I have to come back, Mr. Mouse, don't you let me catch you aiding in the bed in the little Wraith.
Oh no, I would never.
Tweedledee and tweedledum, I'm gonna find the Wraith and kick him in his bum. Hi, might you be the Lociacity? Who wants to know? Hey, you can call me the Summit. Have you seen the Wraith lately?
I am not saying anything. You know the snitches be getting stitches, man.
It looks like you're gonna be needing stitches after all, you little rascal.
you're looking for the Wraith, I know where you can find him. After that crap he pulled with Santa, I don't want anything to do with him. He's held up over by the town's old manger.
Well, lass, or laddie, it looks like you may have saved Christmas there.
As the summit approaches the Wraith, he knows this takedown won't be easy.
Took you long enough for me to find me there, Santa, but I ain't going back to prison. There's no way I'm spending another day in that cell with Bubba.
Hi, but Bubba's not going to be the only thing chasing you behind.
I told you I wasn't going back to that prison.
Death was the only plan I ever had for your sorry arse Wraith. Now it's time to meet your maker, and I'm not talking about Axial Warehouse. Now it's time to deliver some presents to the little kitties all around the world. But first, I'm gonna have myself a shot of whiskey to warm me up.